Hey guys, welcome to our video series on productivity tips and tricks for Office 365. In today's video, we're going to be going through OneDrive for Business and specifically around collaboration within OneDrive for Business. So I'll be showing you how to invite people into your OneDrive area so they can access files. I'll be showing you how to share particular files with individuals inside your organization as well as outside of your organization so that you can work together on the same document and you only have one version of that document floating around. To end off the video, I'll be showing you how to enable autosave within your Office applications so that you don't work for an entire day and lose that content if something happens to your computer. In case you don't know, OneDrive for Business is the cloud storage platform that comes with Office 365 and is likely part of your existing subscription at the moment. OneDrive allows you to store up to 1 terabyte worth of data, and you can access this data from any computer or any mobile device that you have, provided you have an Office 365 subscription. So let's get started. Right, I am inside my OneDrive for Business, and you can see that I've only got 2 folders here. Now what I need to do is I need to share a particular folder with somebody inside and outside my organization. I would like them to provide some feedback on the document, but I don't necessarily need them to actually edit the document. So let's go and see how we can achieve that. I'm going to go into my folder and let's have a look at our Canadian cells. We'll give that a couple of seconds for the Excel online experience to load our file up. And here we go. Here's our Excel file. I can go and see what everyone's been doing, how well we've been doing within the product categories. Now, I need to go and share this document. So the older way of doing it would be downloading it, attaching it to an email and sending it off. The problem there is we have multiple versions of the same document. So on the top right-hand corner, you'll see share. If we click that, the sharing dialog box will open up and we're able to send this off to somebody. So I'm going to send it to Megan, who is internal. She's our marketing manager. And I'm going to send it to Jordan, who is outside of our organization, but he needs to have a look at these stats as well. We've got a few options at the top here. Anybody with a link can view this document. That means Jordan or Megan can forward it on to anybody and they can view it. Only people within my organization can view it. People with existing access can view it, or specific people. So I'm going to change this to specific people, and I'm not going to allow them to edit it. I just need them to review it, and I actually don't want them to download it either. I will apply that, and I can send a message. So, hey guys, please see the latest sales info for Canada. I have the option to select Outlook, which will open up a new email in Outlook, and it will allow me to send the email off, allowing them to click the link. Or I can copy the link and send it to them via Teams or via Skype or via text. But I'm just going to hit send. Hitting send will just send them an email that lets them be notified that a document has been shared with them. They click the link, they sign in, and then they can access the document. Perfect. Link's been sent and they'll be able to collaborate within the document immediately. What else I'd like to show you here is working with autosave. So let's open up this document within Excel, and we do that by clicking open in Excel. All right guys, welcome back. So this is how we're going to enable autosave within our documents that we use within OneDrive for Business. So this is a blank document that I've got stored within OneDrive, and you can see that I've got autosave automatically turned on. Now this is on when you open up a document directly from OneDrive, and that allows you to, when you make changes, to actually view and save the information that you're editing. An example of this is if I had to go and edit the cell, just watch what happens in the middle here. You can see that it immediately starts saving as soon as I leave that cell. If we wanted to turn it off, we can go ahead and turn it off, and it's going to behave like Excel or Word or PowerPoint normally behave. You have to manually save the document. To go and turn it on, we simply hit that toggle to turn it on, and this document again is ready to be saved. This will only work for files that are stored within OneDrive for Business. If you have a file sitting outside of that location, it's not going to autosave. Thank you. See you guys soon.